Hey, yo, what's happening? It's your boy Danxelle back again on the exclusive corner. Today I got my Mat, Jack Monster. We got a track coming out soon. Not sure when, but soon. So yeah, it's called Only God Knows. And when it's dropping, only God knows.
Yeah, I feel you. Hey, yo, what up? This your boy Jack Monster. Like he said, my nigga, I'm with my boy Danxelle, and we about to drop a brand new one, fresh. You know, you already know what it is. So, only God knows when it's gonna drop, and the song is called Only God Knows. So, let's get into it. You already know what it is.
Mic check.
Yeah.
I can tell she's not sure. I don't blame her. Judging from my past, yeah, I probably wouldn't trust me too. Yeah, I wouldn't too. So I'm always trying to prove that I'm a different dude. Saying I love you like every night. On a good day, I'll say it twice. Easy to say, but nothing's harder than to prove it. Focused on the plot, I'm just hoping I don't lose it. I've been going through a lot, and I'm guessing that you knew. Knew this, girl, you not new to this. There's nothing that I'll trade for this. Baby, I ain't never gon' change. You can put it on God. Only God knows. 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 Only God knows.
I couldn't lay up and stay up. I was working double time trying to get that paper. Hit me on my phone saying I'm always home late, and I barely even talk to you. It's like we estranged, but baby, we still riding in the same boat. You were pretty square, I know all your angles. When I get home, baby, I'ma fold you up, beat it up for 40 days and 40 nights that you wouldn't wanna see me after. A fairy tale, you've been waiting for a happy ending. Fuck around, take some time, get you a wedding ring. I promise, baby, I just wanna see you elevate. Can't tell a lie, I could put that on anything. I put that on my mama, put that on our kids, baby. I'm not with the drama and I'm not with the stress. Ain't nobody better if you're looking for the best, that's me. And you and God know this, yeah.
Only God knows.
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 Only God knows. Only God knows. Only God knows. Only God knows.
Only God knows.
Only God knows. Only God. Only God. Only God. Only God.
And there you have it. Only God knows. Danxelle featuring Jack Monster. You already know what it is. Live on Exclusive Corner. We live, baby. Back again for the second time, and you already know what it does. Peace out. We out.